Section 9, we're going to be really understanding and expanding the accounting formula that we discussed earlier, okay? Remember, we're talking about how money moves through your business, okay? So as an entrepreneur, again, it's important to understand how the money flows from top to bottom through the business. And if you guys remember the first simplified equation, AS equals L plus E, okay, now we're moving into more of the expanded formula, okay? But this really breaks down more of the movement, okay? Really helping you track the profits, the expenses, and the owner withdrawals or distributions with more clarity, okay? And again, once you get into here, typically as an entrepreneur, unless you're just born with the gift of numbers, typically this is where you bring in the accountant. But to just summarize, the simplified formula is AS equals L plus E, assets equals liabilities plus equity, right? But in actuality, the equity is influenced by a few factors in your business, which is why you have to expand the version of the formula a little bit. Remember, think of the AS equals L plus E as the bar napkin formula, whereas the expanded is more of what you would do on a spreadsheet, or it's a little more detailed, okay? And that really is your assets, which again equals your liabilities. But remember, it's L plus C, okay, plus R minus E minus D, okay? So your assets equals your liabilities plus your capital, okay, plus your revenue, okay? But then you have to pull from this transaction, this formula, your expenses and your distributions, okay? And then what you're left with is your true asset number, okay? This really does, if we're talking about like Bob Ross paintings here, okay, it really does paint a full landscape of trees and rivers and all this magical stuff. I know right now you're seeing that beautiful curly hair and those trees like, oh my gosh, I see it like yesterday, okay? But really this expanded like landscape painting we're looking at here is really designed to give you what? A more clear picture of really how your business is doing, how it's growing or shrinking. So we'll break this down kind of step by step, right?